Well, Gareth, here we are, less than 24 hours, well, just over 24 hours actually to go until the big game. First of all, how are you feeling? Physical, mentally, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all good. Yeah, just happy to be here, looking forward to the game. Yeah, massive game for us, obviously everybody knows that, but yeah, just excited now. Obviously we had all the preparation this week and yeah, time to rest up and get ready for the big one.
We've been watching you guys training today and yesterday, and there's always a really good vibe around the place, but it feels even more so this time round. You just all seem to be loving life here.
Yeah, no, it always is. We've had a good kind of atmosphere for a long time, and yeah, I think the excitement of the game, we obviously know how big it is, but I think us as players, we're looking forward to it. Yeah, as I said, we've done all our preparation now this week. Today was in the warm-up was a bit of fun and joking and keeping everything light, and yeah, just preparing now for the big game tomorrow, and yeah, we're all looking forward to it, like I said.
Does it feel different this time round at all? You know, we've been used to seeing Wales go off to the Euros and prepare for big games, but is there a different feeling at all?
Not really. For me personally, no. I feel like every game we play is a big game. I think when we try to qualify for the Euros, everything's a big game. In the Euros, everything was a big game. To qualify for the World Cup, there was a few big games in the last camp. So yeah, every game's a big game if you want to qualify, and yeah, it's no different this time, and yeah, one that we're fully focused on and looking forward to.
You know, it's 16 years ago since you made your debut. You've been coming here for half your life, basically. Would you say this is the pinnacle of your career from a Wales perspective?
Yeah, I think it's a massive goal of mine, of all of the team. Obviously, to qualify for major tournaments was a big thing. We've done that twice now into the Euros, and the natural progression now for us is to try and qualify for a World Cup. We know it's going to be difficult. We know Austria are a very good team, but yeah, I'm enjoying it. I enjoy the challenge, and yeah, this is kind of the next step, like I said, in what we want to achieve, and we have to give it all tomorrow.
That's a good point, actually, because you've achieved so much in your career. Is this kind of the one thing that Gareth Bale, like the World Cup, that's what you want, that's what's missing at the moment?
Yes, the only thing I think that I haven't really achieved. So yeah, obviously we know we have a very difficult game against Austria now that we're going to put everything into. I think we all want to qualify. I'm sure they're the same. We want to put everything into it, and just excited, like I said, to get it underway and have the crowd behind us, cheering, singing the national anthem. Yeah, I can't really say how much more all of us boys are excited for the game, and again, looking forward to it. I can't really say much more than that.
In terms of Austria as an opposition, you've got David Alaba, that obviously you're very familiar with. What sort of game are you expecting tomorrow night?
It's going to be a difficult game. I think two teams that are quite, I guess, evenly matched. Hard to say probably who's a favourite, but it's quite an evenly matched contest, and I'm sure the better team on the night will win, and we hope that's us.
Yeah, I'll make sure there are no chairs around for David Alaba to pick up. You've mentioned, the fact that you're at home. How much of an advantage do you think that could be? Because I think the atmosphere tomorrow night could be unlike anything we've ever witnessed before, potentially. Yeah,
no, I think it's a massive advantage, especially for us playing at home in front of our fans that really do make a difference. Yeah, it's one that's going to play a big part, I think, in the game. The fans know what they mean to us. We've always told them. We always tell them how much they mean to us, and I'm sure they're going to be no different tomorrow night and pushing us over the line, hopefully, to that win. And yeah, that's all we can dream of at the moment.
We spoke with Dan James a few weeks ago, and he was saying, after the anthem is sung, a lot of the time you guys have to kind of compose yourselves and, really focus on the task in hand, just because you do get sort of swept up in all of it. And I can imagine tomorrow it's going to be pretty similar.
Yeah, it's always an emotional time. We're always in the line, and we're kind of squeezing each other, getting goosebumps because the fans make it even more special, the way the passion it's sang in, and yeah, I'm looking forward to that tomorrow night as well. And yeah, like I said, they'll be backing us all the way, and we'll give everything on the pitch like we always do.
And finally, Gareth, you're potentially 2 games away from taking Wales to a World Cup. Just how much would it mean to you? I know we've still got the final potentially in June, but just can you sum up what it would mean for Gareth Bale?
No, of course it would mean everything, but yeah, I'm trying not to look forward apart from tomorrow's game. It's easy to get caught up in what ifs, but no, we're really just focused on this next game, not thinking about anything else, honestly.
Gareth, diolch yn fawr. Thank you.
Thank you.